Okay, good morning, all of you. Welcome back to DevOps. Today we are at a day 2 Linux, right? Okay, let me connect. Yeah, hi, good morning. So I'll change. My voice is a little low now. Now? Okay, thank you. Okay, so we can start in 2 minutes. The Telegram people are asking links, right? Okay, so guys, let me connect my instance. Okay. Okay, so I have created EC2 instance and logged in. So here, what happened? Okay. Hmm. Okay, perfect. Okay, good morning all. Sumit, Nitesh, Sai, Madhuri, and all. Okay, so yesterday we discussed that few commands. Okay, touch, copy, cat, rm, cd, pwd, and switch to root, switch to user, right? Okay, so we can jump to next content. So I think copy, move, everything was done, right? So guys, in so in Linux, yeah. If I want to add any content, for example, if I want to add any content, so in your Windows, we have a notepad, we have a Word, so many things are there, right? We can open the notepad and add the content and save the your page in the in the Windows. Okay, in the Windows. So in the Linux, we can use VI editor. Okay. I think you remember or not, we have hosted some application that we are using VI editor, right? So by using VI editor, we can add the content inside. Okay. We can add the content inside. So let's go to add some content. So VI, okay, VI, you have to give file name. Okay, you have to give file name. For example, file1. So it is take you into that file1 page now. like this. Same how your notepad will open like that. So now you can add anything. For that, before we have to put insert means I. Okay. Now you can type hi, welcome. Hi, welcome to. Okay. So if you want to save this content, what is the command? First escape colon WQ exclamation. Clear? The file save and you can quit from the file. What is the command? Quit and save the. Okay. You can give anything. That one also will work. Same. So intention is quit and save the file. That's it only. If you are giving only colon Q, it will not save. Directly quit. Clear? We can see now. So I have added content something, right? To verify it again, I can go same command, right? Open my page. I'm opening my page to check my content. Yes, hi, welcome to is there. Now, no need to save, right? Already saved file this is. Now you can escape and quit. If you are save also, no problem. So this is VI. Yeah, quit only. Very good, Shivani. So now I want to read this file. I want to read that content. So instead of going into that file one, you can use the cat command to see the content inside. Hi, welcome to, right? So here cat we can use to read the content in the file. Cat, you can use. That is also read, right? Yeah. Cat to read the file. So in cat, we have a 3 type of commands: to read, to write, to overwrite. This is what? To read. Clear? For example, guys, concentrate here only. I'm not checking any messages at this time. So, hi, welcome to. I want to add DevOps content in that. Hi, welcome to DevOps. How can I add? How can I add? How can I add? I can go same file, right? VI. I can go. I can give insert. You can add DevOps. Clear? How to save? Escape colon exclamation WQ. Clear? Again, cat up arrow. No need to type every time. Up arrow means previous commands. Cat file 1. Hi, welcome to DevOps. Sir, instead of going inside VI, can I add by using cat? Yes. We can add content by using cat also. Okay. Cat single greater than file 1. Understand? Single greater than file 1. You can add your content. Welcome to AWS also. I have added. Now the point is here. Enter, skip, Control C. Okay. Now again check cat file 1, right? To read the content. I have added some content inside, right? By using cat command. By using cat command. Earlier by using vi command I have added. Now the same thing I'm going to apply by using cat single greater than. Now I'm going to read by using cat. Welcome to AWS. Why? Yes, single greater than means what? It's a override existing one. So don't use cat function at all. Clear? If you use this cat single greater than, enter your application may go on, right? Inside VA, right? So don't do that. Just option is there, just I'm saying only. Okay. Override the file. Okay. No, sir. Welcome to AWS already there, right? I'm going to add on top of this content by using cat. Yes, you can add by using cat double greater than. Sorry. Okay. Now, welcome to DevOps. Okay. Welcome to DevOps. Control C. How to check? Cat. What is the expected one now? Welcome to AWS and welcome to DevOps, right? Both, right? But why welcome to AWS still? Why? So the reason is cat function if you are using na, give enter, right? Welcome to DevOps, right? So you have to enter first, then quit. By default, cat function will skip the current line. If you're not giving enter, if you skip from there means it will skip enter line. It will not add it into the existing one. Give enter and give control C. Control C means that line enter, it will skip and exit from there. Now give cat file one. Clear? This is the difference cat single greater than double greater than. Okay. Yeah. So better go with VI. So cat we can use for to read the content only. Anyway, let me write. Okay. Yeah. So anyone has any doubts on cat? No, right? We are fine, right? Okay. So move, copy. These are regular commands, guys. Cat, move, copy. These are very important regular commands. In the DevOps, we are going to move the file from here to there like that. Okay. Uh, Let me open my all-in-one. So I think I have already shared this one, right? Just practice these commands only. There is no rocket science. Type the command and observe what happened. That's it, only Linux, right? Okay. See anything miss? Okay. Echo. Come to echo command. Echo will print whatever you are giving. That's it only. For example, echo hi. It will print hi only. Clear? How to create a file? Touch file 2. Can I print hi into file 2? How to? Hi. File 2, huh? Huh? Will it work? Hi file both will print, right? See, we are saying to print this one only echo, right? but I need hi should be print into file too. Clear? What I'm saying? ls anyway. rm minus rf file two. Only file one is there, right? So touch file two. Now echo hi into file two. Double greater than or single greater than? Let me try. Okay. Now how to read file two? Clear? Yeah. If you want to add top of the content, you can use double greater than. Clear? Yes. Next, any command? Man means manual. Just you can check the manual only. Okay. Uname. Uname. Operating system details will get it. Okay. Okay. Uname means we can see the operating system Linux or Windows, whatever it is. Next, who am I already done, right? Okay. Let's jump to head and tail. Head and tail is nothing but. Okay. So I'm going to create some file. Already my file is there, right? By using cat, I'm going to add some content. File 2. File 2 already there, na? Demo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that, I just printed, right? And Control C. Now cat demo. I can see all these things, right? For example, if I want to show only 5 lines inside your content, not everything, you can use the head function. Head -5 demo. We can see first 5. Last 5, we can use the tail. Last 5. Like that you can read. But these are not using anyway. We are not using anything with this. Demo is the file. I have created touch demo, right? See, we are creating file name and something. And very important command is grep command. Okay. For example, guys, ls means what? I can see the 3 files, list of files, right? I want to see only file 1 details only, not all details. Okay. I'm going to search file 1. ls grep file 1. Okay. If I give like this now, yeah, no such file directory. It will understand different way. See file 1. Instead of like that, ls means what? List of objects, right? I want to search only file 1, not all. So grep is to search a string inside your list. But how I can give the command, we have to give here pipe symbol. I mean, go to ls and apply this command. If you are giving two commands combination, we have to give pipe, PIP, combination of two commands. It's a continuous. Clear? For example, if I give ls again, I can see all files. Go to ls, apply filter on file one. This is the meaning. Go to ls, apply filter. I need file two. So grep will go and apply the filter to search file two and give back to file two. Clear? Yeah, by default, it's available. Touch and VI. That's what I can use, right? Any doubts here? Grep, you are searching file to details, right? So now if you can see ls, right? But I'm unable to see all files, right? Only file two. Why? I'm applying grep. I need file two only. Clear? Yeah. Okay. I will show you one more example, guys. M list installed means what? Whatever installations are already done in your EC2 instance, we can see that, right? So many are there. These are default one. These are all default installations if you are creating EC2 instance. Is this clear? For example, guys, I'm using M, right? Definitely M repo is there, right? Clear or not? Can I use APT here? APT repository not there in your Amazon Linux. You have to go Ubuntu. Clear? So M is what here? If you can see here, I will show you something here. APT, M, RPM, Pacman, these are the package managers, depends on the distributions. These are the package managers. For example, if I type M install means the package should be there in your EC2 instance first. Then only you are going to install. If package is not there, you have to install from internet. Clear? The difference between M and wget. Wget is if the package is not there inside your EC2 instance, you have to install from the internet by using wget. For example, M install, whatever you are giving here, that repository should be there in your local repository. Clear? M install tree. Tree command is to show list of folder structure. For example, if tree is not there, you have to install the tree. But tree repository should be there in your local. Clear? For example, I'm going to install Python. M install Python. Oh, okay. Sudo, right? Sorry. By default, user, there is no permission, right? I'm able to install Python. Why? Definitely my Python repository there inside my M repositories. Local. M means what? It's fetching from local repository, not for internet. Is it clear? Okay. There is a Tomcat application server, guys. For example, M install Tomcat. This repository, okay. This repository is not there related to Tomcat. That's what you are unable to install. You have to go for internet by using wget command. Clear? But I'm able to install Python, right? Let's go and check Python repositories are there or not. What is the command? Mlist mlist install. Now how to find out my Python is there or not? So many libraries are there, right? Now how to find out? Pipeline. Okay. You guys are saying mlist install. You can go and apply filter for Python, right? How to apply filter? Pipe, one more command. Which command you need to apply here? Grep. Search Python is there or not, right? Hey instance, first to go to installations. In that, I want to verify Python. Otherwise, very difficult to search Python right in this. Okay. Giving Python related packages. Clear? So my Python related packages are there. That's what I'm able to install Python by using M. Can I verify Tomcat is there or not? There is no any Tomcat related string. That's what I'm unable to install M install Tomcat. Is it clear? Everyone? Okay. Find is different. Find also looks like same. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, very good. Kumar and Shravan, Kiran Kumar. Okay. Okay. Now Tomcat is not there, right? Then I need to install Tomcat, right? For example, how to install? By using wget. If you are installing anything from the internet, we have to use the wget. Is it clear? Why we are going with wget? Tomcat is not there in my local repository. That's what we are unable to install by using M. Okay. So let's go to install by wget. Okay. Tomcat, right? Tomcat download. Yeah. If you can see here, zip format, tar format, so many formats are there. Let's go with the zip format. Right click, copy link address. Okay. I'm going to install Tomcat. Sir, what is Tomcat? Just leave it at this time. Here we need to focus command wget. Okay. Let's go to here. Yeah. CLER clear. So I'm using wget. So wget sudo wget. I need to give paste it. Okay. So the repository is not there in my local. That's what I'm searching from Google. Yes, I found something related Apache. So I'm downloading from internet. How to download it? By using wget command. Sudo is for privileges. Clear? Installed 100%, right? How to check install or not? What is the command? ls. Clear? This I have installed, right? So if you can go in your Windows, for example, okay, in your Windows, If you want to download anything here, okay. So if you want to download something here, okay, it will download into your local laptop. Which format it is? Zip format. It will download into zip format. See, let me download it now into my local. Okay, started downloading. See, zip format, right? Now what you can do next to see that content, to use this content, what you need to do? We need to extract, means unzip, extract all. So this path you can give means you can go in that path. We can see the entire details. Okay, index, images, JS, CSS. These are the web content, right? So like that, I have downloaded my Tomcat, right? What I need to do now? I need to unzip it, right? What is the command? Unzip only. And do I need to type everything? Apache, Tomcat, 9.0.6. What I can do? A tab. Clear? Here there is no any file starting with A. That's what I can see, only this one here. Enter. So these many files are there. Okay. Okay, ls. Now you can see this one is extracted one, right? This is zip format. I need to delete this one, not required. How to delete? rm minus rf. If you give A, give tab, can I delete now? No, original will delete. So you need to understand, both are coming. So give dot only. Give tab, it will take this one. Here there is no dot right after 86. Done. So only why I'm removing, you can keep it, no problem. I'm showing you not required. This one is this one, right? I want to go inside. How to go? I want to go inside of this directory. How to go? Is this file or directory? I want to check list of files inside, right? Directory means inside something is there, right? How to check inside? Change directory to A, give tab, give ls. These many are there. Clear? I want to come out. Clear? Give ls. Now I want to change this name here. This is not good. 9.0.86 something. How to change it? RM means remove here. MV, name changing. Don't give RM. MV, A, give tab. If you are not wish to go with the tab, MV, select, paste. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So select, give right click, copy, paste. Okay. Otherwise, Apache, Tomcat, -9.0.86. You can give like this also. So better go with tab option. May here you will do some mistakes, right? Okay. Now, how to change this name to any name? You can give Tomcat. Is it clear? Tomcat. Rename it, right? Yeah, very good. MV. Mohammed and Pranit, Vinay. Anji, please repeat. Just command only. See, this is zip format, right? Now there is no .zip extension. Just I have given the command is only unzip. See, so many things are there. Yeah. See, whatever you have installed now, this one extract it by using unzip command. Okay. Regularly, we can do this type of tasks only in the DevOps. If you're installing anything, we have to unzip, you have untar it, we have rename it, we have move from here to there, like that. Okay. LS. So now, demo file1, file2. I want to move to Tomcat. How to go it? How to move it? Okay, let me create one more directory. Better. That is Tomcat is existing one, right? LS. Now I want to move demo file1, file2 enter into Tomcat. How to move it? How to move? But 3 files are there, right? Hmm? Anyone? How to move enter 3 files into directory? Cat merge. Will it work or not? Sorry. LS. Clear? Clear? Its move means it's not there right here. Clear? File1, file2 demo is there before. Now we have moved to there. Move means there is no copy here, right? If it is a copy means here also there, here also there. Understand? How to move to CD Tomcat? How to move to Tomcat? CD Tomcat, right? File1, file2, demo. Clear? Very good. Yes, you guys are right. Okay. I want to delete my Tomcat. How to delete? RM, -RF or RM, Tomcat. Is it possible? LS. You are also in the Tomcat, right? Clear or not? So you have to come to back LS. Now you can remove. Clear? Yeah. For example, guys. Yeah. mkdir. I want to create 2 files at a time. 2 directories. Is it possible? mkdir demo1, demo2. Okay. Now I'm going to add some content into demo1. I mean file. Touch file1. Touch file2. But I created an outside, right? So I want to move file1 into demo1, file2 into demo2. How to move it? MV file1 into demo1, right? Sorry, file1, right? Next, file2 into demo2. Is it clear? LS demo1, demo2 is there. Now, inside demo1 file is there, right? Move to demo2. How to move? Is it clear what I'm asking? Demo1 inside file is there, right? File1. I want to move into demo2. How to move it? MV. See, file one means it will understand file one is there here, but file one will be there inside demo one, file one, two. That's it. Clear. CD demo two. Clear. Touch. Let's go now. Okay. LS. For example, now RM minus RF demo two. Only demo one is there, right? Okay. Yeah, correct. See, if you don't know how to give this demo one dot file one, simply go to demo one and give PWD. You will get a path, right? Copy the path, give here. MV, you have to say path. My file is there in this path. My destination is this one. Is this clear? Okay. So next, and also untar. Untar also process is there. We have done zip process, right? Now go with tar. Tar.gz. Copy link address. How to install? W. Paste it. Okay. This is not zip format, tar format. Done, right? LS. Tar format is the tar.gz. See, different. The inside content is same, guys. Zip format, tar for inside content is same, but the way of the build is different. While you are building time, tar, I need tar extension. I need zip extension, whatever it is. But inside content is same. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, now this is tar.gz. Earlier zip dot. So we have unzip it. Now I need to untar. Tar, I need to convert into untar to see the file inside, right? The command is to untar it is tar minus xv zdf. So here we can use xv, so many ways we have, but this is the unique one, xv zdf. To give which file? Apache. Clear? Clear? So I want to see this file inside. If you give unzip, it will work. This is not zip format. This is the tar format. You need to untar it. Remove the tar. Same, right? LS. See, same name. Apache Tomcat 9.0.8.6. Same what we have. Already you have installed zip format, right? Same name inside. See, the formats are different. Understand? But inside content is same. If you unzip means same name is coming, right? Inside also same content is there. CD. Same content, right? Bin, config, lib, logs, temperature. Is this clear? Untar, yes. Not untar. Tar minus xvjd. Anyway, CD, ls, untar. Sorry, boss. I don't have any command, right? Tar hyphen xvzdf. Okay. You can remove it. You can do it. For example, guys. For example, touch. Okay, not required. I have already discussed this thing. Okay, see, this is a process untar, unzip, wget, m, move, copy. Clear? Anyone has any doubts? No, right? Okay, yeah, okay. See, Apache Tomcat download page it is. So they are saying, we have a Apache Tomcat. If you click zip format, you will get it. If you click tar.gz, you will get it. If you click Windows, you can install on Windows. Okay, if you can install Windows in the 64-bit, you can click on that. So like that, so many distributions we have, Windows, Mac, Linux, right? But inside content is same. The way of approach is different. Here 32-bit, 64-bit, but both are same. But upgraded laptops will support 64-bit. Old laptops will support 32-bit. But inside content is same, right? Same Tomcat application server, I have downloaded. Tomcat application server available in the Linux, two formats, tar format, zip format. You can take any format. If you download a tar format, if you untar it, inside content is same. If you downloaded a zip format, you can unzip it, inside content is same. Is it clear? But approach is different. Clear? But usually DevOps, if you are installing any distributions compared to zip format, tar is a efficient way. The reason is if you are built into tar format, you will get into the file will be compressed format. Compressed format compared to the zip format. If heavy libraries are there, we can build into the tar format compared to the zip format. Is this clear? But approach is same. Okay. For example, you are going to send some content to your friend by using Gmail. What do you need to do? You need to compress it, right? Into zip format. Then send it. Receiver has to unzip and see the content. Otherwise, you can do one more format. Is there any format? Compress format. Compress tool. So many compressor tools are there. You can use any tool. But end of the day, he has to download the content after extract it. Is this clear? Whatever format, tar or zip, both are same inside content. If you download a zip format, if you give untar command, it will not work. If you download tar, if you can give unzip command, it will not work. Clear or not? Yeah. Okay. So let's go to wget done sudo call. This is calendar. No need to show, right? I think so, right? Anyway. Okay, calendar. Today's calendar. Yeah. Yeah, correct. Give unzip command only. Harshal, we have already done, right? Okay. So next, the very important one is the permissions, guys. Okay, permissions. Let's go to here. Okay, so permissions. We know, right? ls-l. So if you can see here, ls-l means it will show only your files inside directory. I mean, inside user. If you give ls-la means along with the dotted ones, shadow files. Is this clear? No, I need only created one. So give ls-l. Clear? These two difference. This is you created one, right? Not system, right? Clear? Okay. Now, see, you are an EC2 user, right? You are an EC2 user. If you give ls-l means Apache Tomcat or Apache Tomcat r.gz demo one. So these are all, two is directories, one is file. Anyway, rm minus rf. Let me delete one, may confuse others. Dot deleted. Okay. I'm going to create a touch file. File one. ls clear ls. If you can see Tomcat demo file, 2 directories, 1 file. See, I want to see the permissions of this. Give ls-l. Permissions means these are the permissions. I'll come to that. First, we need to understand what is this. Is this clear? What is D here? Directory. Directory. File. Okay, leave for the first digit and take these 3. Okay, and take these 3. Copy. Come to paint now. So very, very important concept in DevOps. These are. Okay. Just paste it here. Zip command only, boss. To zip it. Okay. Just divide into 3. Is this clear? Total 10 digits, right? First one indicates file or directory. Remaining 9. These are. Perfect. So here 3 digits are there, right? I mean 3 functions. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me connect charger. Okay, so if you can see here, read, write something. Read something, something. Read something, something. So we know first 2 digits what? Read, write. This is what? Executive. So each thing I can write here. Read, R means read. W means write. Next, executive. Okay. Okay. In this case, okay, let me write something here. Not like that. Not like that. No executive, right? What about here? Only read, right? Delete here. Okay. Read, write. Write, executive. If I'm talking about permissions, read, write, executive. We have a 3 digits, right? Read, write, executive. So in this, for example, I just pasted here whatever I copied here, right? In this, is there an executive? No, only read, write. Second one, only read. Okay. Now we need to focus here. This 3 digits comes under what? This 3 digits comes under what? This 3 digits comes under what? Okay. So here, the first one comes under user. Okay. Second one, group. Third one, others. So at this time, just park aside what is group, what is others. I'm just focusing on read write permissions. If you are clear about the read write execute permissions, then we can talk about who is this user, who is this group, who is this others. Okay. So if you can see this, user can able to read write. Clear? Group can able to read only. Others can able to read only. Clear? So, yeah, very good. For example, I'm going to give my file one to some all permissions. How to give permission? Just leave it at this time. Leave this command at this time. ls hyphen l, right? If you can see, now file one is read write executive, read write executive, read write executive. Clear or not? Earlier case only read, write and read, write. Now this case updated execute also. So I can say read write executive here, read write executive here, read write executive. Clear? Now my user having read write executive. Now my group having read write executive. My others having read write executive. Is this clear? Okay. Now coming to that permissions, how I can give the permissions? chmod, right? So if you want to give the permissions, you can use the command chmod. And the numeric, whatever number is giving, the numeric is depends on the permissions. Okay, permissions. So now let's come here. 7 means. See, the meaning is first digit is for user. Second digit is for group. Third digit is for others. First numeric indicates user permissions. Second digit indicates group's permission. Third digit indicates others permission. Is this clear now? Okay. Now I need to focus on what is 7, right? Read equal to 4. Write equal to 2. Execute equal to no 1. If I want to give my user full permissions, my user, I'm talking about user, I'm not talking about group and others, right? I'm talking about user guy. I want to give full permission to my user. What is the number? Clear now? 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 7. This indicates what? User. Clear? Okay, perfect. Groups, coming to the groups. I want to give only read permission to my group, not full permissions. How to give? Only read permission I want to give. What is the number? Only 4. Read means 4, right? Yeah. Which indicates read. Now I'm going to give my others permissions. Others permissions. I want to give only executive permission. 1. Yeah, 1. Is this clear now? So these are comes under indicates to one file. Clear? What I'm going to do now here? Taking into applying into one any file, right? File 1. Okay. Here, how can I give here? chmod. What is the number total here? 741. Is this clear now? So my file 1 permissions what now? 74 if I give. Full permission for what? User. Read permissions, groups. Write, sorry, executive permissions, others. Okay, let's go and execute now. Chmod 741 to what file, right? Which file? Now how to check? ls hyphen l. See now. Copy. Result. Is this correct? Just divide into 3 digits, right? Perfect. Read, write, execute. Read, no write, no execute. No read, no write, only execute. Is this clear? So this indicates what? 7. This indicates what? 4. This indicates what? 1. Clear? Now, how read is 4, how write is 2, how execute is 1. Again, we need to understand, right? Okay. Copy. Just remove this one. Okay. Apply just numeric binary form. This one is, what is the first values? 2 power 0, right? 2 power 0, right or not? Okay. Anyway, I'm writing here. Okay. 2 power 0. What is the value 2 power 0? Hey, no max. Okay. What about 2 power 1? Then you know max, right? What about 2 power 2? What is the value? Clear now? So where is my read position here? 1, 2, 3, right? 4. What is my write position? 2. What is my executive permission? Position 0, 1. Clear? Say I'm writing here 2, 1, 0, right? 2 power 0 is 1. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 power 2 is 4. Perfect. So now we are very clear, right? Y7, Y4, Y2. Yeah. Very good. If I miss any questions, no. Yeah, perfect. You guys are all in sync. Okay. Now my file 1 is there, right? Let's go to, I'm going to create one more file. How to check permissions? File to permissions. ls-l. File to. So file. Now read, write, execute. Sorry, read, write, read. Now I want to give file to group is read. Others read, write, execute. What is the number? Chmod. I'm talking about keep as is same. Read, write, read. But others want to change into read, write, execute. How to give the number? First one is what? Read, write means. I keep as is this one. Means what is the number? 6. Very good. 6. Next one is 4. Next one is, I want to make it full permissions. Means 7. Which file it is? 2. Clear? Give ls-l. Clear now? Now I want to change to full permission to user group others. What is the number? 777, right? Clear? Now I want to give only read permissions for all users, group, others. How to give? Only read permissions for all. Clear? Okay. I want to give only read permission, remaining all are no permissions. How to give? Only read permission for my user and remaining all no permissions. Yeah, very good. Clear? So you're understanding or not? In that easy to instance lab, especially public to private connection, we are using chmod command, right or not? We are uploading file, key file. Before that chmod 400. What is the indication? The key has to read, right? The user key has to read. That's what we are giving chmod 400 there. Clear now? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So we have a user, we have a group, we have a others. We have a time. So I'm going to jump onto that. So anyone has any doubt on this? No, right? We have a one more approach, guys. Instead of using numeric, we can go with the just letter, like, we can give read means read, right? But that is not efficient way. Go with this way only. Okay. Same, guys. In IAM, what is user, what is group, what is others? We have a users, right? We have a groups, right? We have a others. Others means what in IAM? For example, we have a user 1, user 2, user 3. Okay. We have a 3 users. If I add this user 1, user 2 into group, what about user 3? This guy comes under others. Perfect. Clear now? Whatever you are giving chmod the series to give the permissions, same apply here also. S3 access, user adding S3 access, it will apply for only user, right? Right or not? If the user is going to add group and group is added to permission, now permission is applied for this user too, right? Why? These two guys are sharing same group. But is it apply for user 3? No, this is others. Clear now? Same in Linux. We have a users, we have a groups, we have a others. Clear? So I can create a user in Linux. The command is user add. Okay. For example, by using user add command, I have created one user. The user is user 1. Okay. Same thing, I can create one more user, user 2. So if I want to check these users, where should I go? Home directory. In my home directory, only EC2 user is there. If you create 2 users, I can go and check home directory. Now 3 users are there along with the EC2 user. But who will create the users? Who will create the users in IAM? Root only. User can create user. So same here also. User cannot create user. Let me try user add. Clear? See, permission denied, right? Same. If you can go in IAM user login means you cannot create IAM user. Clear or not? But if root will give full permission to IAM, user can create. Clear? Same thing Linux also. We have a user concept and root concept. I'm in the user, right? User cannot create user. Root only can create a user. For that, what I need to do? Switch to root. From here, I can create a user. How to create user? Command is user add. I will explain tomorrow same concept. Means users concept. Just I'm giving very high level on that. User add user 1. Okay. See, my root is able to create user 1. Now, user 1 has to log in. Right or not? I have created user 1. Now user one can log in or not? Root is created, I am user. I am user can log in or not? Same thing. User one also can log in now. Okay. And user one can verify the things what root is giving. Clear? If for example, root created a one file, guys, user can access. Root created file, user can access. No. User, if user directly access means is also like root, right? But root can access user created file. Is this clear? For example, file one I have created, right? User cannot access file one. Root is created. But if user will create a file one, root can access. Clear? I am root, I am user. Same concept I'm applying here. Clear, guys? So don't think much for user concept for today. Just focus on whatever commands we ran and permissions. Users groups I will take care of tomorrow. Clear? So if you can see now here, come to here. Users created by root, right? Now root created users. Yes, understand now. Root created user one, user two. Now this is root area, right? For example, this is root area. Root is created user one, user two. Now root will decide to add this user one, user two into same group, right? For example, user three also there. So root is going to add this user one, user two into root group. For that, this is root block, right? Root take these two users and add into root group. Now root point of view, root group is sharing user one, user two, right? Root point of view, others means what? User three. Clear? This is the process of user group others. If you add, comes under group. If you are not add, comes under others. User means here root user. Same thing if you log in as a user one. For example, you have login as a user one. Login as a user one. Same thing create user one also. One is for user. One is for group. One is for others. This is user's perspective, not root perspective, right? Now user can add other user into his group. For example, user 2 is there. So if user 1 is willing, add user 2 into user 1 group if permission is given by root. Clear? Now whatever user 1 is performing, user 2 also can access. Why? Both are in same group. If user 3 is there, for example, here, user 3 will not perform the group actions. He is not part of group. He is part of others. So if you create a file from the user means chmod 744 one file means this user one can access read, write, access, executive. Coming to the users, groups, only read. Who is that guy? User to only read. Is the part of user one group, right? Clear or not? What about user three? Others also read only. Clear? Like that we can manage. Anyway, we'll explain tomorrow also same concept. So users concept. Meanwhile, you can focus on the permissions and regular commands. Is this clear? Okay. How to install Tomcat? No. Uninstall is different. Remove is different. Clear? Remove means you are removing the Tomcat directory from your Linux, but already package is installed, right? So remove Tomcat to uninstall. Okay. So I think guys, there is a commands Okay, I will explain. Wait. There is a command 65 commands here, right? Maybe 3, 4 or 10 commands will add. We can add it in that. Say uninstall. We can add into that. Okay. Root. What is the use? Root can access everything, right? Why again I added into the users group? The intention is to add user group means give the permissions, right? Root by having default permissions. Why we need to add root into the users group? We can do one thing. Users can add into the root group. Why? By default users, there is no permissions. To get the root permissions, users can add into the root group. That is a valid, right? Right or not? 0 means no permissions at all. Shravan, 4 means you need to understand, guys. Don't confuse. Here 400 means don't go for numeric first. Understand, okay, user 4, group 0, other 0. Then focus to 4 means what? Otherwise you confuse, definitely. First 400. Okay, 4 means indicates user. Group indicates 0. Others indicate 0. So we are very clear, group, others, there is no permissions. 4 means read. Read, first one is what? User means user having read permissions. Immediately, see, copy this one. If you have any confusion, practice just one day like this. After that, you can understand. First one is what? User. And next one, group. Next one, others. Now you can think what is 0, what is 0, what is 4. Clear? Yes, this is internal Linux groups like IAM. That is comes under AWS. This is internal Linux. Accessing files, removing file, giving permissions. Okay, so that's all for today. So tomorrow I will be available. Day after tomorrow I will not be available, right? As I discussed. So Friday, Saturday, take rest and complete the, if you have any pendings. I have shared the blocks also, guys. If you have any doubt on IAM, go through the block. S3 also have shared. I have shared auto scaling also. Okay. So far I have shared everything blocks. You can go in the screenshots also there. You can complete the labs. Okay. So Monday, if complete today, tomorrow we will complete the Linux. Otherwise, Monday I will plan to complete Linux. So Tuesday we can enter into the Git. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 5 days we are going to spend on Git. And next week, Monday, Terraform. Okay. Yeah. So be strong in AWS first to understand Terraform. Otherwise, I can't do anything. I will explain only EC2 instance by using Terraform. So that's all for today. Okay. So online. Yeah, I will share. I will share. Online, is there any challenges to understand Linux? CC, right? Practice is required. Yeah. So far it is easy. You are already almost whatever regular things we are already done. No new challenges. If you are doing with the DevOps role, there is no new challenges. These are the challenges we are already done. If any new thing will come, we can add into our bucket. Any new command, anything. Okay. What is CC? Crystal clear. Very good. In Terraform, will you only explain? No. EC2, S3, IAM. But same approach, guys. If you know to create EC2 instance by using Terraform, same process for IAM, same process for S3. But manual steps will change, attributes will change, but process is same. You are creating EC2 instance in the resource block. IAM also in the resource block, but inside attributes will change. Instance comes under instance type, AMI, these will come. But IAM user comes under permissions, policies, it will come. For that, you need to understand manual process before. Otherwise, Terraform, I don't think so. Without manual, knowledge on the AWS, don't expect even 0% from the Terraform. That is very difficult. If you know at least EC2, we can do entire Terraform, day 1 to day 12 series. Okay. I have already updated day 1 to day 12 series in my Cloud Tech DevOps. If you are interested, you can clone from here. And few projects also have updated here. Nodes and advanced, this is 100% efficient. There is no compromise here. Day 1 to day 12. And projects also. Project RDS, project Kubernetes, project multiple things, whatever, project DevOps tools, installations, everything we have done. If you run this Terraform, these are going to install Maven, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, and everything. That we can discuss, don't worry. But be strong in the manual process, each and every step. Okay, that's all for today. Hey, Mahesh, don't worry here. I will be there now. See, after 12 days, I need same expression from you. After Terraform, we'll see you will give same expression or different expression. Okay, challenge. Okay, guys. Mahesh, accepted your challenge? You are non-IT or IT, first of all? Venkat Mahesh, IT now. So, any non-IT guys? Online, online. Okay, online, any non-IT guys? Okay, Sandeep. Okay, Sandeep. Just I'm noting your name. So, after Terraform, I will ask you the same question. Is it easy or not? Okay, mechanical, no problem. See, one non-IT means it's apply for all non-ITs, right? See, online clear means offline, there is no challenges here. Okay. Okay, Pavan. Okay, challenge accepted after 12 days. Terraform, you guys say Terraform is easy. I will take care of that. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Okay, guys. Bye. See you. We'll meet tomorrow. Yeah.